Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are going for a walk dito sa Bourke Street. So this is one of the famous Melbourne Street sa Victoria. Dito sa Melbourne, sa CBD guys. So very famous to. Because there's a shopping mall, there's a restaurant, pubs, and everything guys. Shopping mall also. So guys, are you ready for a walk for today's video? What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Pwede naman tumabay. Maano tayo dito? Saan tayo ka? Welcome to Bourke Street, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Melbourne's bustling city centre is home to many vibrant streets and laneways. One of them is the famous Bourke Street, and it's small, best known for its lively shopping, restaurant, and pubs. Locals often name this street Melbourne's 2nd Street, and it is home to the massive rival department stores Myer and David Jones. Traditional Bourke Street is one of the best places for shopping and entertainment in Melbourne. In the past, the street was home to some of the best theaters and cinemas in town. Currently, the entertainment scene has changed due to the addition of new shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Those who love shopping should visit the Bourke Street Mall and duck in and out of the many retail stores here. This mall is Melbourne's most popular outdoor pedestrian mall. Within this vibrant area, you come across tons of shops, boutiques, and restaurants. Some of the stores that you will find along Bourke Street Mall include Zara, Swarovski, Susan, Katie's, Body Shop, Sports Girl, Q, plus so many more. While you shop, you can enjoy the many buskers that play along here with many talented musicians, entertaining the crowds daily. When it comes to dining, it can be described in 3 words: eclectic, vibrant, and lively. Choices of restaurants include beautifully decorated upscale restaurants, bustling bars and pubs, and a range of casual dining venues. Whether you love steak or seafood, you'll find everything here. Just a short walk from Flinders Street Station, Bourke Street Mall is also accessible by the number 86 and 96 trams, as well as from Swanston Street or Elizabeth Street. Open 24 hours, and admission and ticket prices is free when you walk here in Bourke Street. So this is Bourke Street. Who is there? So many people outside. It is sunny weather today. Man. Alam mo, pero parang tabing yung ano natin yung mga gabi. It's a funny one. So, that's it guys. That's our Bourke Street, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia guys. So, I hope you enjoy watching guys. So, dito, yung walk na yon, very busy yon. Bustling center, city center siya. Every time kapag may mga Christmas, mga occasion, may mga holidays, kasi nagsisale sila doon. They also have the David Jones. They also is another department store guys dito sa Australia. So, madami talaga kapag nagsisale sila, kailangan mo mag-queue sa labas. You can see also the H&M here na talagang old yung building ng H&M and malaki siya. Dating post office yata yun, tapos ginawa siya H&M outlet or shop. So, madami kayong makikitang shop dito. Yung nakita nyo kanina. Hindi pa siya busy-busy. There's also a musicians entertainment along the way dun sa street. Yung usually kasi, dinadaanan yun dati ng train, pero in-close nila yung street na yun kasi nga yung mga people of the universe dun ay nag-walk sila. So guys, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching and I hope you had fun on our walking tour dito sa Bourke Street, sa CBD, sa Melbourne guys. Thank you very much for watching and mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my Pipol. Talamus, please like if you did enjoy my video for today and please to subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao!